The second example I'm going to give you is addition refraction using the area model. So first we are going to draw the question 1/2 plus 4/5. For area model, we will draw boxes for each hole and try to draw them about the same size for each hole. So the top one, I need to cut it into 2 equal parts, and the bottom one, I need to cut it into 5 equal parts according to the denominator. And for the area model, one of the key points is one of them you're going to need to cut it vertically, one is going to be horizontally. It doesn't matter which one vertically, which one horizontally, but it needs to be one for each. So I'm going to color in 1 out of 2 equal parts for 1/2. And then I'm going to cut the second one with 5 equal parts because the first one is vertical, the second one will be horizontal. And then I need 4 out of 5 equal parts. So after using the area model to represent the questions, we are going to draw the exact same thing and then try to do an equivalent fraction of them. So I'm going to draw same size of boxes. And then the top one need to be 1 out of 2 equal parts. And the bottom one need to be 4 out of 5 equal parts. And to get the equivalent fraction, what we do is the vertical line for the top fraction, we're going to put it in the second fraction like this here. And the horizontal line from the second fraction, we're going to put on top of the first fractions. So as you can see, the second picture is still representing 1/2, but also is 5 out of 10. So this is showing 1/2 is the same as 5/10, and the bottom one is 4/5 and also equal to 8/10. So we're adding them together, and I'm going to draw the answer. We're going to need to add the two together. So now my hole is going to be a box with 10 equal parts. So I'm going to draw my first one. And again, try your best to do about the same size. I know mine is a little bit bigger here, but try your very best. And then I'm going to need to cut it into 10 equal parts. And as you can see from the first picture, I need 5 out of 10 equal parts. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. And then from the second box, I'm going to need to add another 8 pieces, which I don't have enough here. So I'm going to need to draw another hole, which is a box, and cut it into 10 equal parts. And then color in 8 pieces from the second fraction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when we write our answer, what we will do is we will say, okay, shaded part over how many make a whole, right? So shaded part, if we count, we totally have 13 shaded parts, and then out of each box have 10 equal pieces, And if you look at those boxes, you can also see you have one whole box, which represent one hole. And then for the second box, we have 3 out of 10. So it doesn't look very dark on the projector, so I'm going to need to color a little bit more. So after we color in both fractions pieces, we should see we have one whole one and then 3 out of 10. So that's my final answer. So one of the things you want to pay attention is those boxes should be about the same size, and then one you want to cut it vertically, one you want to cut it horizontally. And this is area model. Oops, it's shaded part with the S, and the answer is 1 and 3/10.